Hi there, beautiful people, and welcome back to another video. And of course, welcome if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke, and in today's video I will be doing a new nail polish of the week, in which I always choose one random color from my huge nail polish collection, swatch it, talk about it, share some life info, and so on. But if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, I would really appreciate it if you would like to do so. Hit that notification bell as well and become a part of my little nail family here at YouTube. But let's start off with clean nails and go in with your base. I'm just going in with the PJR Care nail polish base coat. This one isn't only cruelty-free, vegan, halal, breathable, and so on. It is also 16 free, which is such a big deal in my opinion. I haven't seen many nail polish brands actually go 16 free. 16 free or 10 free or 5 free or anything like that. That pretty much stands for the amount of different harmful chemicals that are mostly used in nail polishes that actually are not included in creating this particular nail polish. So 16 of pretty much harmful ingredients are not used while making this nail polish, which is a big thing because some people just can't handle ingredients like that. They can get allergies, rashes, and so on. So yeah, big round of applause to PJR Care nail polish, which is actually a Dutch brand as well, for not using those ingredients. So yeah, they are really safe to use. Pretty much anyone can use them, no matter what your background, religion, or beliefs or anything like that are, because it is completely vegan, cruelty-free, halal, it is breathable, and so on. So yeah, it actually is one of my favorite base coats as well, because it's just, oh, I love it. It dries really fast and it prevents my nails from staining, chipping, and tip wear as well. But let's get into the polish that I have chosen for this week's nail polish of the week, Swatcheroo Fest. This one is by Flormar. I actually got this when I was in Greece last year, back in September. And yeah, that was just an awesome 1.5 weeks off of work holiday. I've never been to Greece before. So it was really cool to see what kind of nail polish brands they actually have there at their local drugstores and stuff like that. So Flormar was one of those brands that I have heard before, actually seeing them there in the drugstores, but never got my hands on them. They're just not really sold here in the Netherlands or Belgium, where I pretty much live close by. So yeah, I haven't tried them before actually getting a bunch of them. I think I got 6 different colors and this one was one of them. So this one is called Awaken Your Senses, and now looking at it, I really get some Holo Taco vibes from it, like the recently released creamy polishes from their work-life balance. I just did a full-on review and swatch video on the 4 colors that came out, and this one just really reminds me of Work Bestie. I'm not quite sure if it is an exact dupe of that one, because if it is, this one is way more affordable. I think I got it for €2 or something, maybe even 1.50. I really can't remember what I paid for them, but they were really inexpensive, and it is pretty much equal, in my mind at least. I really don't dare to say if this purple tone is a little bit more lighter than Work Bestie. It might be, but yeah, it is pretty close in my opinion. So if you want to save a little money, be kind to your bank account, but still want to gift yourself a new nail polish, definitely go for this one, because it was already really opaque within the first coat. And usually purple colors can be a little tricky to create and to really get them opaque without being patchy or streaky or anything like that. So I really wasn't unhappy with the first coat of this one. Of course, it definitely needs a second one. I can still see a little bit of patchiness going on, but not as bad as I've seen in other purple colors from different brands and stuff. So yeah, I'm actually really happy to see how opaque this one was with the first coat already. And of course, the color on its own is already really beautiful. I really wanted to share more purple kind of polishes because I think a lot of people really like purple nail polishes. I really love them myself too, but I think I'm a true pink loving kind of girl. So if I have an option between a pink and a purple, I will usually go for the pink, even though purple is such a beautiful color and it suits so many different skin tones as well. So yeah, that's why I chose this one. It's just a beautiful creamy, like medium purple, I'd say. I don't feel like it is a lilac. It's a little bit too dark for that, but I don't really feel like it's a purple kind of color, or however you say that in English, to be honest, like a royal dark purple tone. It's not dark enough for that, so it's right in the middle in that sweet spot, which makes it a super wearable color, but a really fun color to wear too, because it pretty much is a bright pop of color. But yeah, I don't know, purples like these I feel like are really easy to mix and match with different outfits as well, and it just suits a ton of different skin tones. It's just a really beautiful color, and as you can see here, the second coat made it completely opaque. But to finish this entire new fresh manicure off, I'm going in with a top coat. Once again, I'm just teaming up with PJR Care for the top coat as well as the base, so it is a matchy kind of start and finish to this video and manicure. This is their mirror top coat, so it is a super glossy one. You guys know me, I love my glossy finishes, and this one, like the top coat, is just as good, and I love it just as much as the base. It dries really quickly, it just gives a beautiful shine, and it pretty much makes sure that my manicure stays put for at least a full week. Even though I have a really manual job, it is just, oh, it works wonders. And I really love the fact that it dries really fast as well. Sometimes if you have a little bit of like a thicker consistency when it comes to your top coat, it sometimes needs a really long time to be fully dry and hardened out, and I don't have any issues with that whatsoever when it comes to this top coat. It is just a really nice one. The only thing is the brush itself, it's a little bit more narrow than I usually go for. I really love the more thicker rounded edge brushes, but it's not bad. It's not as thin as, for example, the OPI brushes are, which I feel like are so slender and so small. I don't really like working with them. But yeah, this one is just a really nice top coat and definitely worth the money. But thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely let me know what you think about this purple color and what you're wearing yourself today. I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.